Hello everyone, my name is Christian Gonzalez. It is week 2 of Bio 225 at LAPU. So essentially this week we're going to be doing aseptic techniques and then isolating colonies. What we're essentially going to be doing here is just give you sort of the essence of what we're doing because it's kind of in depth. So essentially we're going to be taking our aseptic techniques. We're going to be doing one of those today. And then we are going to show the essence of how we would isolate the cultures using the agar and the wand. Okay, so let's get started. We've pretty much sterilized everything for our purposes. We've got our cup of alcohol here. We've also got our candle, which is great. We can take this thing, we can see the candle. So essentially what we're going to be doing, we've also got our bleach here. In case anyone wants to know, we got our bleach. So we can dump everything in. Okay, so real quickly, after we have everything sort of cultured and growing, this kind of just goes back to the isolating. We'll have our agar in here. We'll take our wand, and then we'll do 4 quadrants: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, right? They're essentially going to take a look at what's growing and then examine it, right? So this is pretty simple. Kind of just want to get that out of the way. That's for isolating the colonies. Every time we do it, again, we'll have to dip this wand into the alcohol, pull it out, do it again, do it out, do it again, right? Into our solution that we're going to make right now. So that's the isolating the colonies section. So let's get to it, right? So here we've got our broth, and again, we're going to be doing the S. epidermidis, right? So essentially, let's get started. Our wand here. Gonna get all the alcohol out. So we're gonna take the caps off, and then taking the caps off, we're gonna place them right there. Cap off, we're going to place this right here, right? So we're going to slant them both, get around the rim, so we're going to make sure everything is nice and sterile. Slant both, get it around the rim, everything is nice and sterile. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is taking out 0.25 mLs of broth to then put into our sample. It's pretty easy. You go in here. Okay, we've got all that in line. So we're now going to take our sample, throw this in here. I'm going to place it back into alcohol. We're going to recap everything. Capping this first. Capping this second. And then now what we're going to do, just going to shake this sample until we get it all liquefied. Pretty easy at that point. And then once it's all liquefied, we'll again pull it out. So we'll do the same thing. Then again, take the caps off. Cap off. Cap off. Sterilize both. samples. Cool, add a nice slant. Then we're pulling out all of our sample. We have all the alcohol out of it. It's rather difficult. Let's see, get that all out. Okay, all the alcohol's out. Go in here. And we are now transferring all of our sample in here, plugging this back into the alcohol, closing this, and then closing this. All right, cool. And that will conclude our lab video exercise. What we'll now do is let this incubate, and then we'll see what our results are. Thanks.